Good morning, Bulldogs. I'm Devin.
And I'm Mark.
Today is Thursday, November 30th, and we wish a happy birthday to Kavya R. Lunch supervision is the dynamic duo Mr. Witterick and Mr. Watson. After-school bus supervision is Miss Stacey McCardle, and gym supervision is Miss Edwards.
Now listen up, Bulldogs, because we have all the news to start your day.
Good morning, Bulldogs, and a special welcome to our grade 8 students who might be watching us today. What a great night that was last night at the open house. Thank you very much for joining us. First, thank you to our Bulldog students who helped us out last night. Your volunteerism did not go unnoticed. You guys were spectacular. Thank you so much. Make sure to put in your community involvement hours if necessary into our Republic. Use the teacher who you worked with. Use them as your supervisor and their school email and the school's phone number. Enter all that data. Make sure that your parents' email address in our Republic is correct as well. And then once both parties approve that, we'll be able to verify it. And that would be wonderful. Going into your community service hours. Grade 8s. We had some draws and prizes last night. It was a late night and we are still tabulating some of those winners. So if you won something, you will be notified by us very shortly. But we did have we did get math figured out because, you know, maths, they're on top of it. Here's Mr. Lilo, our program leader for math. Here was one of our prizes. Mr. Lilo, what was happening here last night?
We had students come in and they calculated volumes and used formulas to try to estimate the number of jelly beans in the jar. And two young future Bulldogs were the closest. They tied. They worked together collaboratively. It was great. So Veronica and Rabia from Pine Grove, you're going to have this delivered to your school. You're going to have to figure out how to split it.
Congratulations from Pine Grove.
Yeah. And second was Wesley Wilding from Power Glen. You came very close, but not quite close enough. So we're gonna give you a second prize of some type.
You're going to be getting something spectacular as well. Not jelly beans, but something else. We will be in touch with those students, along with all the other students who won some awards and prizes. Thank you very much for showing up last night and for visiting with us. And grade 8s, next week you start completing your course plans. Make sure to check the Sir Winston website for information about the courses. And the video that was aired will be displayed on our website as well, so that you can take a closer look at all of those course offerings for you for next year. That's it. Have a wonderful day, Bulldogs.
Hey Bulldogs, it's Lulu and Taylor from Council. Here's a reminder that our upcoming food drive, Battle of the Bins, is happening next week. It will be a competition between grades to see who can donate the most for their grade.
All grades will be coming down next Tuesday in a parade fashion to the CAF to donate in the bins. But the bins will be out all week, so if you forget that day, then feel free to bring it out throughout the whole week. And there will be a raffle available. And for any more information, please feel free to go to our Instagram.
Math Club. We solve problems. If you're interested, please come to room 102 Thursdays at lunch. Sign up on the clubs and activities board. Congratulations to our Euchre tournament winners, Turner and Liam. And now, Bulldogs, get ready for December Cards Club and Texas Hold'em Poker. Cards Club will be meeting on Tuesdays and Thursday, December 5th and 7th, to teach you how to play. Learn the difference between checking and betting and calling and raising. Find out what's worth more, a straight or a flush. We'll teach you the lingo and logic behind Hold'em Poker. Bring your lunch to guidance. Hoodies and sunglasses are optional.
Hey Bulldogs, the Junior Ice Dogs program, formerly the CYO Heat, needs your help. They need volunteers to help with on-ice activities with their special needs hockey program. It runs Saturday morning, 8 to 10 a.m. at the Meridian Center, and they are really in need of your help Saturday. If you are interested in helping out, contact Rick Jones at hrjonesy61@gmail.com. You can also find this information on the Community Involvement subsite.
There will be a Christian Fellowship meeting today at lunch in room 223. All are welcome.
Attention chess lovers and admirers, the SWC Chess Club is being held at room 106 at lunch every Tuesday and Thursday. Please see Mr. Nickel for more details.
The school nurse is available this morning. She'll be through the yellow door beside the main office. Our nurse is in the building every Thursday until lunch. Come on by if you need to speak to her.
Your lifelong dream of becoming an SWC TV anchor is about to come true. If you're interested in appearing in front of the camera and delivering the Sir Winston news, please come to the studio today at lunch to sign up and practice firsthand in front of the cameras. Anyone from grade 9 to 12 is welcome. See you there.
Thank you to all the grade 8s that tried the 100-meter rowing challenge list night. SWC Rowing is excited to see many promising prospects. Congratulations to Silas and Joseph from Oak Ridge. Those speedy future Bulldogs tied with a time of 22.6 seconds for the fastest time of the night. Close behind was Maya from Jean Sauvé, only 0.2 seconds back with a time of 22.8. We will be back in contact with your shirt size. Go Bulldogs!
Curling practice is canceled today after school as the club is doing emergency renovations. There will be a very important meeting today at 3:10 today in guidance.
Today's special on the calf is chicken fingers with fries for $6. That's yummy in my tummy.
That's all the news we have for you today, Bulldogs. Don't forget to follow our account at SWCTV 2024 for school updates and to look behind the scenes of our morning show.
Thanks for watching, and we hope everyone has a thrilling Thursday.